respected director sir, principal sir, teachers, and to all those present over here. A very pleasant good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
This is Komal Kumari from class 10th. This is Shreya Gungun Malakar from class 10th. So today we are going to anchor the speech competition. So let's begin our event. I am a citizen of the country where Rani Lakshmibai and Mahatma Gandhi were the freedom fighters. I am a citizen of the country where forms, tradition, religion, culture, language change after every 50 miles. I am a citizen of the country which is the largest democratic country in the world. Very proud to be an Indian citizen. A very wonderful good morning to Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Sir, teachers, and to all those present over here. This is Komal Kumari from class 10th present in front of you to give a speech on Independence Day. Before starting, I'd like to thank Honorable Director Sir for giving me such a golden opportunity to be a part of this speech competition. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. It is the most significant day in Indian history. India got its independence on 15th of August in the year 1947 from the British rule after a series of movements and struggles. We are so lucky that we are the citizens of India. It's time to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to our freedom fighters who showed immense love, patriotism, sacrifice and bravery towards their motherland and gifted us an independent, free India. It is said that no other sacrifice can be higher than the sacrifice for your motherland. Our ancestors have suffered the cruel behavior of Britishers for many years. This year, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. Our great Indian freedom fighters had sacrificed their lives so that we can live our life peacefully and happily. I'd like to take some of the names of the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Birsa Munda, Rani Lakshmibai and many others. They sacrificed their lives so that we all can live peacefully and happily in our country and lead the nation ahead. India is a unique country, and so as its struggle for independence. The march towards independence started in the year 1857 with the Indian independence movement. The Indian Mutiny Act was the first revolt against the British rule. This was followed by numerous movements and struggles. It was finally on 15th August 1947 that India got independence. We cannot imagine, just by sitting or standing here, how difficult it was for our freedom fighters to gain independence from the Britishers. Today, India has made a rapid progress in all the fields like education, science and technology, agriculture, sports, and many others. Today, India is considered as a powerful country all over the world. Really, I feel so lucky that I am a citizen of India. India is on the path of progress. So let's promise our motherland that we will do everything to make our country, India, the best country in the world. Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi has said, if 130 crore people of India will work together, India will move forward 130 crore steps. So let's do this. Let's work harder. And let's do what India was born to do, to generate peace, to build love, to build respect. We might not be the richest nation in the world. We might be deprived of the finances and the luxuries of this world. But my brothers and sisters, let's maintain our peaceful coexistence, above all love for our nation, and make our country, India, the best country in the world. At last, I'd like to say a quote. जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरी फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमां ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. With this, I end my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends, I would like to speak few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. Friends, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. It is one of the most important days for all Indians. On this day, 15th August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So this day remarks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire that ruled our country for 200 years. Hence, to commemorate our historic freedom, we celebrate this day with great passion and energy around all country. Independence Day is a national festival as well as a public holiday. On this day, flag hosting ceremonies, parades by our armed force and even our school students, jhalkis with dance, singing activities, etc. are held in different parts of our country. But the main celebration is held in the national capital New Delhi at Red Fort before the political and social dignitaries of our India. The Prime Minister of our India unfolds the national flag and addresses the nations with his speech. And also, our national anthem is sung. After the Prime Minister hosts the national flag, a salute is given to our national flag by firing 21 guns and flowers are showered by a helicopter. This is all done to pay homage to our great freedom fighters, superheroes. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our brave soldiers are fighting in borders to protect our country and to preserve our nation. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country sincerely perform our duty and progress together for growth and development of this country. So dear friends, let's join our hands to make this nation a best nation in the world, and let's celebrate our freedoms and also celebrate our Independence Day. A famous quote says that no sacrifices is higher than the sacrifices of our Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Divya, for your wonderful speech. Next we have Shreya Gungun Malakar from class 10 for English speech.
Respected our director sir, principal sir, respected our director sir, principal sir, dear teachers and my dear friends. A warm good morning to all of you. Myself Shreya Gungun Malakar from class 10 and I am here to deliver a speech on the occasion of Independence Day. First of all, I would like to thank our school management for organizing a speech contest even in this critical situation, so that we can come out for a little bit of change after lockdown. We always used to talk about freedom in Independence Day, but since 2020, we forgot that what is freedom. We used to stay in home because of lockdown. After independence, since 1947, first time we have faced this kind of crisis. Not only we, but even whole world. But some people used to sit at home and criticize the government for not performing well in this critical situation. So I have a question for all the people of our country, that is it the fault of government that day by day the number of patients is increasing? No, it's our fault. Why? Because we are not following the rule of COVID-19. And just because of this, many people suffered with COVID-19 and they died. Even in this critical situation, Tokyo announced Olympics and our players performed so well on that Olympic. Neeraj Chopra and PV Sindhu, they worked so hard and got medal for our country. And what we used to do? We also play, but not Olympic, just Free Fire and PUBG. And we used to sit at home and only talk about our country, that how our GDP fallen down our economic rate. But even in this, government provide ration to poor people and deposit money on their bank accounts. And also started a scheme in which the person who affected with COVID-19, Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan, and government also take out scheme 1.7 lakh crore to give the poor peoples. So I have to say that, is it all the responsibility of government only to take our responsibility? No, or everything is having two phases, one advantage and disadvantage. Then why always our mind focus in advantage only? So now it's our responsibility to take care ourselves and to our neighbors also. So since our country is developing, so it's our responsibility also to develop. So at last I want to say that freedom in our mind, faith in our word, and path in our soul. So let's salute our nation in this Independence Day. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Shreya, for such a wonderful speech.
Start from the beginning.
Respected our honorable director sir, principal sir, teachers and my dear friends, a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Alisa Anjum from Standard 10 and I am going to speak a few lines on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day. It is one of the most important days for all Indian citizens. This day is very important for all Indian citizens because on this day, 15th August 1947, our India got independent from the British rule. Many Indian freedom fighters we remember the struggle between the Britishers and the Indian freedom fighters. This day is to remember the sacrifice of many Indian freedom fighters whose effort gave us independence. Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh and many more laid their lives. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jai Prakash Narayan, Rajendra Prasad and many other leaders took part in the struggles and they are remembered today as great leaders of our country. 75th year of independence, today India has made rapid progress in many fields like education, sports, agriculture, science and technology. India is known as a progressive and powerful country all over the world. India is in a path of progress. But even today, many Indian citizens are facing many crises, problems, corruption, unemployment, farmer suicide and insecurity for women. As an Indian citizen, I just want to say that if we have to eradicate these problems, we all should unite together and raise our voice against these problems. However, this year, just like the last year, there will be no grand celebrations, no social gathering due to COVID-19 pandemic. So let's come together on this auspicious occasion and celebrate Independence Day. The famous quote says that no other sacrifice can be higher than the sacrifice of our motherland. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak over here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Alisa, for such a wonderful speech.
हम अपनी जान की दुश्मन को जान कहते हैं। हम अपनी जान की दुश्मन को जान कहते हैं। मोहब्बत की इस मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं, हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं। जो दुनिया में दिखाई दे उसे कहते हैं खामोशी, जो आंखों में दिखाई दे उसे तूफान कहते हैं। जो ये दीवार की सुराख है साहब, जो ये दीवार की सुराख है, चाइना, अमेरिका, पाकिस्तान साजिशों का हिस्सा है, लेकिन हम इसे अपने घर का रोशनदान कहते हैं, रोशनदान कहते हैं। माननीय निर्देशक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्र, मैं अंकिता तिर्की कक्षा 10वीं से आप सभी के सामने आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर अपने विचार साझा करना चाहूंगी। आजादी, आजादी का मतलब वही समझ सकता है जिसने गुलामी की हो। हम सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि हमने स्वतंत्र भारत में जन्म लिया। यूं तो आजादी की लौ 1857 में ही लग चुकी थी, जो वशाल बनकर 1947 में हमारे देश को आजाद कराई। प्राचीन, मध्यकालीन और वर्तमान के उत्तम उदाहरणों से मैं स्पष्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि जब हमारा देश फिरंगियों के फेरे में फंस चुका था, तब रंगे बसंती चोला की एक आवाज पर टोलों की टोले उमड़ आती थी और उनके वंदे मातरम के नारों से 5-5 डिग्री का तूफान उनके खून में आ जाता था, जो अंग्रेजी शासनों की जड़ों में तूफान ला देता था। तब लोग मर जाते थे, मिट जाते थे, फांसी चढ़ जाते थे, तो वो भी अपनी देशभक्ति साबित कर रहे होते थे। उसके बाद 62, 65, 71 के युद्धों में अपना सुहाग गंवा देने वाली औरतें जब घर के ये हालात हो जाया करते थे कि प्यार भी भरपूर गया, मांग का सिंदूर गया, बाप की कमाई गई, भाई की पढ़ाई गई, नन्हे नन्हे नौनिहालों की लंगोटियां गई, छोटी छोटी बेटियों की चोटियां गई। ऐसा एक विस्फोट हुआ कि पता ही नहीं चला कि एक एक शरीर की अंग की गोटियां चली गई। पर आपके लिए तो एक आदमी मरा है साहब,
पर मेरे लिए तो मेरे घर की रोटियां चली गई, मेरे घर की रोटियां चली गई। वाले हालात पैदा हो जाने के बावजूद एक माँ अपने बेटे से बॉर्डर पर जाने को कह देती थी और उससे यह पत्र लिखाकर भेज देती थी कि अम्मा ने खत लिखा है बड़े ही चाव से, पुत्र मेरे ना घबरा जाना, एक इंच भी पीछे ना हटना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना। इस तरह पूरा परिवार अपनी देशभक्ति साबित कर रहा था। तब देश बलिदान मांगता था, तब देश लड़ जाने को कहता था, तब देश मर जाने, मिट जाने और फांसी चढ़ जाने को कहता था। लेकिन आज देश मर जाने को नहीं, लड़ जाने को नहीं, मिट जाने को नहीं और फांसी चढ़ जाने को भी नहीं कहता, बल्कि मेरे विचारों से जो व्यक्ति अपना काम सच्ची ईमानदारी, सच्ची मेहनत और सच्ची लगन से करे, वही सबसे बड़ा देशभक्त है। मैं नहीं मानती कि व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक की डीपी को 3 रंगों में रंगना ही देशभक्ति है। और यदि आप यह कहेंगे कि साल में 2 बार हाथ में तिरंगा लेना देशभक्ति है, तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि फुटपाथ पर रहने वाला वो बच्चा जब सड़क पर तिरंगा बेच रहा है, क्या उसकी देशभक्ति है? ये उसकी देशभक्ति नहीं, ये उसकी पेट की शक्ति है जो उसे ये काम करने में मजबूर कर रही है। क्योंकि न मस्जिद को जानते हैं न शिवालय को, न मस्जिद को जानते हैं न शिवालय को। जो पेट के भूखे होते हैं वे सिर्फ भोजन के निवाले को जानते हैं, सिर्फ भोजन के निवाले को जानते हैं। अपने समाज, अपने देश, अपने राष्ट्र के लिए समर्पण का भाव है सच्ची देशभक्ति। देशद्रोही के जीवन में तूफान ला देने वाली है देशभक्ति। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Ankita, for such a wonderful speech.
As we all know, today we are gathered here to celebrate our 75th years of Independence Day. In this National Celebration Day, we should feel proud to being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us all the freedom to choose our own rights, including the right to education and including the right to speech. For almost 201 years, we were under the rule of British government. They treated us like their slaves, tortured us and destroyed our money and resources. But with the help of our freedom fighters, India fights for their freedom and rights. Almost 74 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. For the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted national flag on Red Fort. Since then, India celebrates Independence Day all over the nation. All over the nation. For few renowned freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Bhagat Singh emerged as nation to engage and inspire everybody so that they can fight for their freedom. After that, every Indian participated actively in the freedom movement to aim for an independent nation. Independence gives us many benefits, including all the rights of education and speech. Lastly, I would like to say that the young generation of our country is our future. With the help of youth, talent and effort towards country, India can succeed more in the future. We have to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day. Together in unity, we can strengthen the nation for a beautiful future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Afi, for your wonderful speech. Now I would like to call Shruti Gupta from class 9 for English speech.
Respected director, sir, principal, sir, vice principal, sir, teachers and all my dear friends, a very warm good morning to all of you. Myself, Shruti Gupta, I am from class 9 and today have got such an opportunity to express my thought on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. India attained independence on this day in the year 1947 after several years of struggles. We pay a heavy price to gain this independence. Our freedom fighter who is striving for freedoms and and organizing marches and movements were imprisons and tortures and were pricey to so many injustices, yet they never gave up. The great freedom fighters including Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad and many more who struggled for decades. It is because of their zeal and dedication the passion of nationalism didn't subside, and today we are breathing in an independent nation. We should carry these spirits forward and celebrate nationalism and patriotism, and so that run through us and it tell us many things. As Indian, our duty towards the mother country is to work for its development, because the India we see today is the sacrifice of many great leaders, and it has their dreams in it. So, with great respect and honor, let us host the tricolors fly high on the sky, flattering very freely, and let us declare the meaning of tricolor for India's quality and spirit qualities and prosperities, and its message to all the direction on the earth. Thank you, Zainab.
Thank you, Shruti, for
Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear. Good morning to all. Today first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day, and I would like to thank my Director Sir to give me an opportunity to tell something about Independence Day. So as we all know that today we are gathered here for celebrating Independence Day. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our motherland. This day is very important for us because on this day India got freedom from the British rule. This day is very important for us because on 15th August 1947 we got freedom from the British rule. And our foreign heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose are those who fight from the British rule, and many of them lost their lives. Independence Day is a national holiday and it is celebrated all over the India. We know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, and he hoisted the first flag on India nearby Red Fort, nearby New Delhi, Lahore Gate. And on 15th August, we Indians celebrate this festival by hoisting the flag with three colors, and these three colors signify that white, saffron color signify courage, white color signify truth, and green color signify faith. At the middle of our flag, there is 24 Ashoka Chakra. At the end, I would like to some point on my speech that we should make ourselves so comfortable so that we can praise in the present. It will be only when we will work in it. At the end, I would like to end my speech by Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
thank you, Divya, for your wonderful.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and honorable judges, a very warm good morning to one and all present here. My name is Rati Bhagwat from class 5. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers who have given me an opportunity to participate in this speech contest. Our today's topic is Independence Day. This year, in 2021, we are going to celebrate 75th Independence Day. This is the most befitting moment to remember the sacrifices of many and unnamed heroes who shed their precious blood for the sake of our independence. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebrations of the nation, and we feel proud to celebrate this day. Today, we enjoy the fruit of freedom because of the sacrifices and great efforts made by our unforgettable freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many more, who led led the freedom struggle movement in India. All through their lives, they had only one vision: a free India where people can live with their own rights and dignity. At last, the freedom fighters' dream came true, and on 15th of August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. Today, after 74 years of growth and development, India can be proud of a few golden feathers adorning her cap. India's top 4 achievements include: number 1, maintaining its unity and integrity; number 2, remaining a vibrant democratic country; number 3, developing programs that are specific to common man; number 4, India's space program and her nuclear and missile programs. Apart from these, India has a commendable achievements in the fields of sports, commerce, entertainment, education, infrastructure, and agriculture. That's why it is said that freedom is responsibility, freedom is growth, and freedom is discipline. Before concluding, I would like to reiterate the quote of Mahatma Gandhi. He said, and I quote, "The nation's culture resides in the heart and soul of the people." I quote. Hence, it's our duty to safeguard our country and its interest in all aspects. Let us all together celebrate the 75th Independence Day by unfurling the tricolor and paying great respect to our freedom fighters. I would like to end my speech with a famous patriotic poem written by our honorable poet, Rabindranath Tagore. And it goes like this: "But the mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake, let my country awake, let my country awake." Thank you, Jai Hind, and Happy Independence Day to all in advance.
Thank you, Rishi, for such a wonderful speech.
Principal sir, my colleagues, and my dear students. Today we have witnessed one of the competition that is called speech competition, and the topic was on your Independence Day. It was good, but what I found, many of you tries to parroting the things in your home and you want to deliver over here. Sometimes you may succeed, but in most of the times you will fail. And this is not for today. In any type of speech, if you want to deliver, don't try to parrot the things. My suggestion would be, arrange the things in your mind, in whatever language you are comfortable. Then you should translate the things one by one. Your views should come to you in a sequence so that you can recognize what you have arranged in your mind, and then you deliver. This will make your speech good. So I hope from the next time you will try to keep these things in your mind. Second thing is, some Hindi speech also we got today, and the comments which was coming from the last benches, that was not acceptable. This is not a park. This is not a fun gathering and something like that where you are enjoying. You are the students, so try to behave like the students. If you can't understand what is discipline is all about, then what you will do in the future? From the very first day, I have been telling you that in all respect of work, discipline is required. And all the things checks your patience also. This speech competition or maybe some other events are also coming. So we will not just check your what you have done. we will not just check your skills, but we will also check your discipline. How disciplined you are. What is the manner of the presentation of the things that you are delivering over here. So today is the eve of Independence Day. Tomorrow we have to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. So regarding Independence Day, many speeches came already. You have listened, you have prepared also. So tomorrow we will talk about that. But for the speech competition, whatever I have noticed, very few of you could deliver your speech properly. And the reason was what? The reason was the lack of preparation. And second was, you get fumbled, you get stuck, you feel nervous. And these things comes when you parrot the things. Suppose if you have not prepared anything, on the spot presentation, that is called extempore. Extempore is an art of delivering the speech when you don't prepare and you are supposed to give the speech. On that time you may perform better rather than when you parrot the things in home. So I hope you will take my advice for the upcoming events. Many events are coming, science exhibition, or you can call it science competition is also coming. That is scheduled to be on 28th of August.